All right. Hello, everybody. We are live streaming on YouTube and Twitter right now. I'm here with my good friend Derek Smith. How you doing today, Derek?
Good. How are you, Dwayne?
I'm doing all right. Hopefully, you had a
We're,
good weekend. I got to catch the Michigan
I
State
was gonna say I was
Akron
gonna ask you about your Michigan State game. How
Michigan
was
State
that?
Akron game, and the so Akron's nickname is the Zips. So the score of the game was 52-0.
Oh, there
So
you go.
the announcers were having fun the whole time. Every time they said what the score was, they made
Kept
sure
saying
to,
zip.
instead of saying zero, they said zip. I'm sure the Akron
Gotcha.
team really enjoyed that.
I'm sure they did.
But yeah, it was a fun game. That was my first Big Ten football game experience. So that was fun.
Oh, my college is moving to the Big Ten eventually. So
What is your college?
let's see,
What's that?
Southern Cal.
Oh,
We're joining
Cal,
the Big Ten.
Southern
Yeah,
Cal.
we're joining. We're joining the Big Ten in
I didn't know you. I didn't know you were at was Southern Cal. See, my
the
college didn't even
real.
have a football team. Neither one of my colleges, my undergrad or my master's degree, uh, we didn't have that. We were a Division III basketball team. So
Oh, there you go.
they did go to the Division III NCAA tournament like a couple years after I graduated.
Oh, well, there you
So
go. Hey, that's
so some
something.
people that I, like some people that I did know that were my fraternity brothers were on the team. But other than that, yeah, no football team.
Oh,
So yeah,
okay.
my daughter's getting the first taste of Big Ten experience. My wife went to Western Michigan, so
Oh,
she
there you go.
she had some Division I experience herself. But yeah,
Yeah.
it was fun. Big crowd just even for Akron. So
I'm sure. And my team got Stanford in prime time, so it was nice to watch them
yeah,
on.
yeah. You guys are doing a good job as well. I saw they're playing well with the Oklahoma transplants.
The new transplants. So yes, off to a good start.
Yeah, exactly. Well, that's good.
All
Yep.
right. Well, how good of a start are we off to for back to school? We are 13 days in.
Yeah, we're getting off to a good start. We're this is we're approaching the halfway point in the month of Azure back to school. So thanks to everybody that's contributed so far and everybody that's contributing going forward. We've had a number of views here. We got the YouTube, we've got premieres set up, so you can certainly subscribe at the Captain Hyperscaler YouTube channel to get notified when various premieres take place. We've got most of our videos are somewhere around the 30 to 70 range in views.
Mm-hmm.
So still not approaching your 2K of 2.4K of
Oh,
virtual WAN from last year, but
yeah.
uh, still getting some good traffic and good views. So
Good.
appreciate all of that. The using the using Bitly for the link. We get some analytics here. That we've got over 600 total clicks on that link. So that's
That's good.
individual visitors. So pretty good there. I got Google Analytics set up last week on the page as well, so you can see we've got since I think I got it working on
On the
Thursday
7th, yeah.
on the
So
page. So yeah, you can see that's trending up as well. So
good.
really appreciate everybody getting on board and checking it out. We put this up. I forgot to put this up here. We post a comment here and then amplify it. There's the link for everybody on YouTube for accessing the sessions. And when we go to the sessions, I got this working right after the last live stream when we did the kickoff. But
Yeah.
you'll see this
Got all
little
the
play
play
button here,
buttons. Yep.
and the play button will play the sessions for the day when they go live. So if you see the time here, These are Eastern times. It should show your local time when you go in there, so that you know. I think Sessionize, we're using Sessionize, and I believe that it will show your local time rather than the Eastern time. But today, if I can scroll down to the 12th.
Hey, we've got Peter Defender talking about how we can integrate and migrate Azure DevOps with GitHub. And then we've got Arnhem with a Terraform demonstration, how we publish a Terraform plan inside of Azure DevOps.
So a couple different DevOps sessions today. So looking forward to those. Those are always good and very interesting, especially as if you're not familiar with Azure DevOps, and or GitHub or Terraform. Obviously Microsoft bought GitHub a few years ago now.
Several years ago,
they've been doing a lot more integration of Azure DevOps into GitHub to utilize GitHub pipelines and all of that. And obviously Terraform is an excellent software and service to utilize for multi-cloud type development and deployment tools. So definitely some good stuff to get some demos there. I always like to see people. I'm in awe of everybody that does these DevOps stuff, because I'm not a developer. So the fact that I can use GitHub desktop and Visual Studio Code just to get things up into my website is
an accomplishment for you.
Yes, it's a true accomplishment. Once I started doing that, I was really excited. But anyway, we got some storage sessions,
sessions, and then we've got
as well as we have durable functions from Jonah, and I think I believe we put her on this date because it's her birthday. Right?
It is her birthday, so yes. So make sure that on Tuesday,
happy birthday tomorrow.
Say happy birthday to Jonah, and check out her durable functions.
Excellent MVP in the community. So
very excellent. And then the next day we'll be looking at containerized applications. So we've got a dual session with Thomas and Carl doing container app, and then Vladimir will be taking us through where to start with containers.
Yep. We got Vladimir. He's got 2 sessions this week.
2 sessions, but yeah, he's back to back.
Back to back.
I made him real happy. I'm like, all right, dude, no pressure.
No pressure.
Containerized apps one day, and then talk about Azure networking the next. And then Joe will tell us why we need to talk about.
Yeah, and we'll see the play buttons as a few of these sessions I haven't gotten yet. So a reminder to those of you who are on the docket for this week to give me your sessions over so I can get those scheduled.
Yep.
Because we do still have a few blanks in here over the course of the next week. So everybody's coming through with getting some things. We've had a couple sessions that we've had to move off because of people having some personal issues. So for those of you who know who you are, work through that, and hope everything is fine with all those issues. Stuff comes up, and sometimes we have to adjust the schedule a little bit, and just bear with us. Like we said, and we've got over 60 participants this year, so there's bound to be things in personal or work life that come up, because this is all volunteer driven, and everybody everybody's donating their time essentially. So stuff comes up, people get sick, people have work projects that take precedent. So if something does drop off that you're wanting to see, feel free to ping me and Derek, and we could probably get in touch with the contributor. And maybe I already had one that couldn't do it this month that's going to kind of do a promotion, going to do the video next month and promote Azure Back to School as part of their release of that. So they're everybody everybody is very apologetic if something comes up, and like I said, we understand if things come up. You know, we do the same thing. Sometimes things come up. So life comes up.
Life
Everybody needs
happens.
to keep their work life balance, and we appreciate everybody that's contributing this month and making this a success. We're getting good feedback from people, really enjoying it. So I appreciate, and I know Derek, I know you do as well. Everybody
always.
Everybody giving their feedback and giving positive thoughts to everybody in the community. So we really appreciate that. Anything else you want to say, Derek?
No, I think so far a lot of the sessions have been really good. Few of them. A lot of the different sessions where I think the latter half of the month you're going to see a lot more cloud native from an Azure perspective. So a lot of DevOps, AKS, things of that nature. We've got a little bit of security from a native perspective, IoT. So if you are somebody who is really interested in Azure native, cloud native, the second half of this month is going to be for you. There's a lot of different content around native applications.
Yeah, Derek. Yeah, you did a really good job in the flow of things. It's gone from it's getting getting a little the not just grouping the content together, but kind of easing everybody in, right? As we get towards the end of the month.
Yeah, we still have a few IaaS level things.
Yeah, we got coming up Sunday. Here's the security.
Get
some Custo in there.
KQL, Rod is going to give us through life of a Sentinel analyst.
Rod's always good to give us some KQL as well. So I'm sure there's going to be some KQL in that day in the life, and how to run queries and do threat hunting. So excited to see that. Yeah, we get some Raspberry Pi, and
NoSQL databases, Cosmos DB.
Cosmos, all those things as we go through the month. So
that'll be good.
So really excited to see what's coming down for the second half. Keep following me and Derek, and hashtag Azure Back to School 2022, and you'll get notifications every day about the new content and the new contributors for the day. You can always come every day to this link here, the bit.ly /Azure B2S -2022 -sessions to get to the Azure Back to School GitHub. You can also do azureback2school.github.io, and take you right to the site, and you just need to find the post for the sessions, and there they are. So I think we can wrap it up. Just real quick, just recap of where things are, and we'll see everybody again for live stream at the end of the month, just to kind of wrap up the month and do our final thank yous to all the contributors and everybody that has viewed these sessions.
Be live streaming from California.
You'll be in California at that time?
Be in California at that time. Be great.
Oh, we might need to make that. Well, maybe we'll make that a little bit later of a live stream.
No, it's fine. No matter I find that no matter what time zone, at least I'm in the United States, I seem to wake up
right
at my Eastern time. So I'm good there. But when I've been over in Europe, that's I still wake up at the same time. It's still 6 a.m.
Yeah. All right. Well, thanks everybody. We'll wrap it up, and we'll keep seeing you on social media, and we'll see you again in a few weeks.
All right. Enjoy, everyone.
All right. Thanks, everybody.